Tech Fix Guides channel, solving your everyday problems one video at a time.
Windows recall missing or showing up. Check Copilot PC, opt-in, and privacy controls. If you've been searching for Windows recall but can't find it on your PC, or you've heard people talking about it online and you're wondering whether your computer is secretly recording everything you do, then this video is for you. The truth is much simpler than many headlines suggest. Windows recall is not available on every Windows 11 computer, and according to Microsoft, it is designed specifically for Copilot PCs. It also includes privacy controls, requires user opt-in, and gives you options to pause, delete, or filter snapshots. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check whether your PC supports recall, where to look for it, how its privacy controls work, and what to do if it isn't showing up. Step 1. Check whether your device is a Copilot PC. The very first thing you need to know is that Windows Recall is not available on most existing Windows 11 PCs. Microsoft introduced Recall as a feature for Copilot PCs, which are a new category of AI-powered Windows computers equipped with dedicated NPUs capable of running AI workloads locally. If your laptop or desktop is several years old, even if it's running Windows 11, it most likely won't support Recall. To check your device, open Settings, go to System, select About. Here you can see your processor and system information. If you own a newer Copilot PC from manufacturers like Microsoft Surface, Lenovo, Dell, HP, Asus, Acer, or Samsung, then your device may support Recall. If your PC is not a Copilot Plus model, then not seeing Recall is completely normal. There's nothing wrong with your Windows installation. Step 2. Search for Recall. If your PC is a supported Copilot Plus device, the next step is checking whether Recall is available. Click the Start menu. Type Recall. If Recall is installed and enabled, Windows should display it in the search results. You can also check through Windows settings. Open Settings. Navigate to the privacy or recall-related settings depending on your Windows version. Keep in mind that Microsoft continues updating Windows, so menu names may change slightly over time. If you still can't find Recall even though you have a Copilot PC, make sure your system is fully updated. Go to Settings arrow Windows. Update install all available updates. Restart your computer if necessary. Some Recall features may only become available after installing the latest Windows updates. Step 3. Understand the opt-in behavior. One of the biggest misunderstandings about Recall is the belief that it automatically records everything as soon as Windows is installed. According to Microsoft, that's not how Recall works. Recall is an opt-in experience. That means users must choose to enable snapshot saving. During setup on supported devices or when configuring a new user profile, Windows presents Recall and allows users to decide whether they want to use it. If you don't enable Recall, it won't save snapshots. Recall is also different from browser history or search history. Instead, it creates searchable snapshots that help users find previously viewed information across supported apps. Microsoft says users remain in control of whether this feature is enabled. So, if you never turned Recall on, you likely won't have snapshots available. This is one reason why some users can't find Recall history. It simply hasn't been enabled. 4 o'clock. Step 4. Review Recall and Snapshot settings. Now let's look at the privacy controls Microsoft provides. If Recall is enabled on your Copilot PC, Windows offers several options to manage snapshots. For example, you can pause snapshot saving whenever you want, completely disable Recall, delete previously saved snapshots, choose how much storage Recall can use, filter specific applications, exclude certain websites from being captured. These controls allow users to customize what Recall can and cannot save. For example, if you don't want snapshots from your banking website or messaging application, Microsoft allows you to exclude supported browsers and apps from Recall. You can also delete snapshots whenever you want. This gives users ongoing control instead of requiring recall to remain permanently active. Before assuming recall is storing everything, it's worth reviewing these settings directly on your supported device. Step 5. Windows Hello requirement. Another important privacy feature is Windows Hello. Microsoft says accessing recall requires identity verification using Windows Hello. Depending on your setup, that could be fingerprint recognition, facial recognition, or your Windows Hello PIN. This helps prevent someone else from opening your recall timeline if they gain physical access to your computer. In other words, recall isn't simply open for anyone using the PC. Microsoft added identity verification to help protect the information stored by recall. If Windows Hello isn't configured, Windows may ask you to complete that setup before allowing access to recall features. Windows Hello verification helps ensure that only the authorized user can access recall and its saved snapshots. If multiple people share the same computer, each user must sign into their own Windows account to access their personal recall data. This extra layer of security is designed to protect your information from unauthorized access, even if someone else has physical access to your PC. If Windows Hello hasn't been set up yet, Windows will guide you through the setup process before allowing access to recall. Step 6. Managed work or school PCs. If you're using a work laptop or a school computer, things may work differently. Many organizations manage Windows using IT policies. Your administrator can decide whether recall is available on company-managed devices. So even if the hardware technically supports recall, your organization may disable or restrict it. If recall is missing on your office computer, this doesn't necessarily indicate a problem. It may simply be disabled by company policy. In those situations, you'll need to contact your IT department if you have questions. Trying to bypass organizational settings isn't recommended. Always follow your organization's security policies. Many businesses and educational institutions manage Windows features through group policy or Microsoft Intune. Because of these policies, some settings may appear grayed out or completely unavailable, even on supported Copilot PCs. If recall is disabled by your organization, only your IT administrator can change that setting. It's always best to check with your organization's IT department before assuming there's an issue with your computer. Step 7. Remove recall only through supported Windows features. Some websites and YouTube videos recommend registry edits, PowerShell commands, or third-party debloating tools to remove Windows features. When it comes to recall, Microsoft recommends using only supported Windows settings. Avoid downloading unofficial scripts that claim to remove recall permanently. Those methods can sometimes cause Windows problems or interfere with future updates. Instead, use the privacy controls Microsoft provides. If you don't want recall saving snapshots, simply disable it using Windows settings. You can also pause it whenever necessary. Delete stored snapshots, filter websites, filter applications. These supported options are safer than modifying Windows using unsupported tools. Always keep your Windows installation updated through Windows Update rather than relying on unofficial modifications. Using unsupported registry edits or third-party tools can sometimes cause unexpected Windows issues or affect future system updates. Microsoft regularly improves Windows features through official updates, so using supported settings helps keep your PC stable and secure. If your privacy preferences change later, you can easily re-enable or adjust recall using the same Windows settings without making permanent system modifications. Following Microsoft's built-in controls is the safest way to manage recall while ensuring your Windows installation continues to receive future updates normally. First, check whether your computer is actually a Copilot PC. Most Windows 11 computers released before Copilot hardware won't have recall. Next, search for recall using the Start menu and Windows settings. If it's missing, install the latest Windows updates. Remember that recall is designed as an opt-in feature. According to Microsoft, users choose whether to enable snapshot saving. If recall is enabled, review its privacy controls. You can pause snapshots, disable recall, delete existing snapshots, filter supported apps, and exclude supported websites. If this video helped you understand why Windows Recall may be missing and how to review its privacy controls, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to TechFix Guides for more Windows tips, troubleshooting guides, and technology tutorials.